So let's make pizza rolls. Now the first thing we'll need here is either puff pastry dough or pizza dough. We need a tray, some grated cheese, we have mozzarella, and then either salami or some ham of choice, and of course tomato sauce. Now first you have to basically spread out your tomato sauce evenly across your dough over here, just like that. Now make sure you leave some empty space on the left so you can of course roll it easier later on when you do this. And you could also put on some oregano after you've done that part, which of course is optional and should look something like this. Now next step of course is going to be salami and cheese. We're going to start with cheese over here, so put as much as you like. We put about this much because we do think that's going to be enough. And then the next step of course is salami. So we have some chicken breast ham over here. Again, that's up to you. You could use whichever ham you want. And we also put some bacon on because why not? We do like it. You could put any other salami if you wanna. Now after you've done that, we're gonna have to roll it. So roll it like this. There we go, nothing special. And then you basically have to just cut it in pieces, like they can be as thick as you want, and then place them into your tray just like that. Now whenever that part is done, that's how they should be looking. Then put them into the oven. Because ours are a bit thicker, we put them in there for about half an hour at 200 degrees Celsius. And if yours are a bit thinner than ours, you could maybe go and put them in there for like 20 to 25 minutes, and that's how they should be looking when they're done. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.